3 puck pack, includes a glow-in-the-dark puck so you don't have to stop when the sun goes down, an extreme color puck and an official orange puck so you have replacements at the ready. Designed for smooth surfaces. Take your game to the next level with this 2 ounces puck that performs best on flat surfaces. Extreme Color, original high visibility multicolored Extreme Series street hockey puck let you bring the color to the street. Perfect for practice. These pucks are perfect for practicing your shooting and puck handling skills off the ice or during the summer to keep your skills sharp. NHL Street Hockey Off the Cow, officially licensed street hockey puck of the NHL. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for street hockey in the driveway. Great little pucks for driveway street hockey. They don't roll or slide like crazy, which is good for us so they don't get lost in the woods. The bright colors are great for that as well. They still get lost from time to time, however, so whenever I need to pick up some more pucks, I choose these.